Okay, everybody, welcome to the YouTube Live. I'm just testing out the functionality and capabilities of YouTube live stream versus Periscope. I'm using my computer and it looks extremely fuzzy. And it looks like, let's see here. So I'm on very low bandwidth, which maybe that helps with the broadcast. But that is interesting. So let's see if we move it up, if it increases or improves the picture at all. So yep, looks like the picture is a little bit better. That's good. But okay, and then what I want to know also is, because this is just a Google Hangout. Okay, so I'm going to decrease that just a little bit. Can't really see myself, but that's okay. And let's see here. So present to everyone, hide from broadcast. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. Present to everyone. Let's try it. You are presenting to everyone. Okay. Great. Stop presenting. Oh, okay. So screen share. Well, I'm not sure. Is that present? Are you guys seeing my screen now, or are you guys seeing just my face? So anyways, 0 viewers, which is interesting because let's see here, add, invite people. Okay, so maybe you have to invite a lot of people to be able to get people on here. It's interesting with Periscope, really it just people just jump on, and I mean, yeah, it takes a little while to get people to come to build your following a little bit. But the other thing that looks different here and that is not very cool is the fact that you can't see any of the chats. You can't see people who are viewing their chats. So I don't know how that would be. See, I mean, this is no different than a Google Hangout on air. I guess that's what this is. So yeah, that's interesting. So I believe, let's see, what else do we have here? Profile. Okay, so it's taking me to my profile, but I'm still broadcasting. But let's just see what it's showing, if anything. Okay, so let's go to, yeah, it doesn't even, okay, so it just shows my about of my profile, but let's just see if I'm on here as well, and if people can actually, okay, so testing live stream, I see that it's there, but there's not even an image for the cover. That's interesting. Still 0 live viewers, and just gonna see what YouTube looks like testing live stream. Still 0 live viewers. So now we're getting just gonna see what YouTube looks like testing live stream. Okay, so maybe this is where you would actually. Okay, so people can say stuff down here. What does this look like? Okay, so maybe this is where you would actually. Okay, so people can say stuff down here. What does? So I'm gonna go ahead and mute that for a second because I don't need to hear myself. And I want to create a huge loop. So okay, 1 watching now. Got you. Interesting. So now that's probably just me watching. But if there's anybody watching here, it'd be interesting to see what, if you are watching, tell me that you are watching. Okay, because I want to know if you can see. I'd like to see your comments. So it looks like you would have to have another window open and then invite people to that. Okay, so live control room, I see. So live events, live control room, got you. And then it looks like you can just share this link out to other places. So let's just try this auto share. Facebook, let's see what it looks like on Facebook to share this. No preview available. Okay, interesting. So nobody's looking on here. Looks like there isn't much of a thing here. Okay, so one watching, it's just probably me. And I am seeing this out. I mean, I could use this, I guess. That's kind of interesting, but this is great. And this is cool. Let's see if we can put links in here. So, for example, I've been looking at this Nike, and let's see what it does with links over here. So this is something on my wish list. Okay. And okay, so the link, that's good. That's cool. So you can actually click on links if you have somebody there watching or typing in there for you, and the links are active. So that's cool. And that's even the link to the Amazon page. So okay, awesome. Well, there we go. So testing this out. This looks pretty interesting. Okay, so testing out Google Hangouts on Air and start Hangout on Air. I see. Okay, so testing it out. Testing live stream. There's my little thing here, and if I click on this, it'll take me to the exact same thing. It's probably going to say that I have 2 live viewers now because I'm here watching myself in 2 different windows. So let's see what it says. No, 1 viewer still. Okay, so, well, that's interesting. Okay, closing this one. Boom. Google Plus. Let's just go to my profile here and see what. Okay, so yeah, it didn't change at all. That's interesting. And now, yeah, okay. So, well, this is a good little test, and we're gonna go ahead and close out here. But I believe tonight I'm still going to use 2 watching now. Okay, great. I think it thinks that I'm watching it in 2 different streams. Unless, if there's actually 2 people watching, it'd be cool if you said hello in the chat, just so that I know that there actually are 2 people watching. So, yeah, it doesn't look like it. Well, that was an interesting little test, people. So testing live stream, different from Periscope for sure, from Blab, from Meevee, from Meerkat, all these other live streaming apps and devices. So I think I like Periscope the best. Blab's probably next. Meevee is, I mean, it's pretty good too. I'm just not a really big fan of Meerkat. And this YouTube live thing is probably going to take last place. It is cool that it is on your YouTube channel, and you can publish it to your Google Plus, and it's kind of Google Plus Hangout on Air, so that's kind of neat. And I bet it's cool also because you can invite more people, and then they can join the Hangout, which is then also live on air, you know, live as well. So yeah, I mean, I guess I could try it, but I think for tonight's show, this is what I was testing this for. I wanted to test it for tonight's show, which I'm going to do about the benefits of play. I think I'm going to still use Blab because it's a little bit easier and it brings a lot more natural traffic in. So, all right, that's it.